In this video, I'm going to demonstrate a passive couch-based adductor stretch. This is a really nice technique to include within the middle of a massage or a sports therapy-based treatment, or you can include it at the end of the treatment as well. It's also a nice way of teaching your client how to complete a specific stretch, and then they could go away and use this stretch for a home care activity. Okay, so the adductor group, otherwise known as the inner thigh muscles. Okay, so we're just going to adjust the towel. We still want to be careful to maintain the client's dignity so they feel comfortable when you're completing this stretch. Okay, the first way that we can stretch the adductors is with the knee in a flexed position. This is going to focus more on adductor magnus and adductor brevis. First position we're going to do is we're going to flex the knee, and I'm just going to bring the foot closer to the client's other leg. Okay, then from here, if we take a supporting hand and place it just on the iliac crest, or the bony part of the front of the pelvis there. Okay, then from here, we're going to support the leg as they lower it down. We want the client to make sure that they feel supported. If the leg just drops, then the myotatic stretch reflex will kick in and it will restrict the movement because the muscles think that they might sustain an injury. So we need the client to relax, and we want to do a smooth motion as we take that leg out to the side. Okay, and we're just feeling for that end point, a bit of a biting on the muscle there. Okay, if we were just focusing on a passive static stretch, then we're going to hold that stretch for about 15 seconds. If time permits, we might hold it for 30 seconds. We want to check with the client that they're actually feeling that stretch. If the stretch starts to ease after about 15 seconds, then we can just see if we can lower that stretch down slightly further. If the client easily got the leg all the way down to the couch and didn't necessarily feel a stretch there, what we could then do is lift that leg up. Okay, take the foot to the opposite side of the other leg. And again, the foot is going to come off the couch. I'm just going to adjust the towel here. Okay, and then from there, again, supporting that leg, supporting on the pelvis, then we're dropping that leg out to the side. So the foot is now on top of the thigh here, and we're lowering that leg down. It just gives the client a little bit more space. We don't want to be pushing down too much, but we want to feel that resistance, feel that stretch, and apply a firm pressure. Checking with the client that they're feeling that stretch. Can you feel that, Lydia? Excellent. So they might feel slightly uncomfortable with the stretch, but they should still be able to breathe and to relax into that stretch. If it feels painful, then that's taking it too far and the client won't be able to relax. Okay, so again, holding that for about 15 to 30 seconds. Another way of stretching, because we know that the adductor longus crosses the inside of the knee, is by taking the leg out to the side. Now, depending on your client's flexibility, you've got two choices of body positioning here. So if your client had quite limited range of motion and that was their stretch position, then you might find yourself in this position because you haven't got quite enough space inside the couch there to hold the stretch. However, if your client was like Lydia and had good flexibility, then from here we could take that leg out into the stretch position, which is here. I'm now starting to feel a little bit of resistance from the adductor muscle group. I'm going to hold that nice and steadily and now come around to the other side here. And then if the muscle had relaxed after about 13 seconds and I wanted to increase that stretch again, I can then use my body to support the leg whilst we're taking that out into a deeper stretch position. Again, from here, holding this stretch statically for about 15 to 30 seconds, monitoring the client the whole time, making sure that they're relaxing into that stretch. Okay, so just to run through, we've got 3 different stretch positions for our adductor muscle group. So one of them is with the knee in that flexed position, supporting the front of the pelvis here and lowering that leg out into the stretch. Okay, if we wanted to deepen that stretch, we can then bring the foot up again, and we are lowering that knee towards the couch to that point of resistance and stretch. And then finally, we've got the leg in that extended position. And then from here, trying to keep those toes pointing up towards the ceiling and using your body position to bring that leg out to the side. Okay, so static couch-based stretching.